the scale of the universe. Across the vast expanse of the cosmos, scientists estimate there are over 2 trillion galaxies. We call just one of them home, the Milky Way. Each of those galaxies holds hundreds of billions of stars, and most of those stars have planets orbiting around them. The numbers are beyond comprehension, but what really matters is this. There are so many planets out there that it's almost certain the wildest worlds you can imagine actually exist somewhere in the universe. Today, we're going to explore 5 of the strangest and most fascinating planets we've discovered so far. They're beautiful, bizarre, and maybe even a little terrifying. But above all, they're real. Kepler 16b, the planet with 2 suns. Meet Kepler 16b, the planet that orbits not 1, but 2 stars. Nicknamed the real-life Tatooine, yes, like from Star Wars, this gas giant is about the size of Saturn and located just 245 light-years away. It was the first planet ever found orbiting 2 stars at once, a configuration known as a circumbinary orbit. If you were to stand on Kepler 16b's surface, you'd see 2 suns rising and setting. Imagine a double sunset lighting up the sky. As stunning as that sounds, don't pack your bags just yet. This planet lies outside the habitable zone, making it far too cold for liquid water. Sorry, Luke Skywalker, HD 189733b, the planet of terror. Next is a planet with a deceptively calm appearance. From space, HD 189733b looks like a peaceful blue world, almost like Earth. But don't be fooled. It's earned the nickname the planet of terror. Why? Because this planet is home to winds reaching 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times faster than the speed of sound. Any spaceship entering the atmosphere would be instantly torn apart. And the weather gets even worse. It rains molten glass, heated to around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, blasting sideways in those hurricane-force winds. Think of it as being caught in a glass storm moving faster than a fighter jet. This is not a vacation destination. J1407b, Super-Saturn. Now, let's talk about J1407b, also known as Super-Saturn. This planet has a ring system so enormous that it makes Saturn's rings look like a hula hoop. Its rings are estimated to be 640 times larger than those of Saturn. Located around 400 light-years away, if we were to replace Saturn with Super-Saturn in our own solar system, the rings would stretch across the night sky, brighter than the moon, and visible to the naked eye. It completely redefines what we thought was possible for planetary rings. Kepler 186f, Earth's cousin. Now for something a little more familiar. Kepler 186f, often called Earth's cousin. Located about 500 light-years away, this planet is only 10% larger than Earth and orbits within the habitable zone of its star, meaning liquid water and maybe life could exist there. But here's the twist. Its sun is much cooler and redder than ours. Because of this, the light reaching the planet is mostly in the red spectrum. Scientists believe that plants there, if they exist, might have adapted to this light, possibly appearing red instead of green. Just imagine an alien forest of crimson trees and red-tinted grass. Even NASA found the idea so compelling. They made a poster that reads, Kepler 186f, where the grass is always redder on the other side. Rogue planets, the wanderers of space. Not all planets have a sun. Some drift through the universe alone, with no star to orbit. These are known as rogue planets. They wander the cold, dark vacuum of space, detached from any solar system. On some of these lonely worlds, it may rain molten iron, and without a star, their internal heat slowly fades over time, leaving them cold and lifeless. Rogue planets may have been ejected from their original systems, possibly after violent collisions. If one were to enter our solar system, it could cause gravitational chaos, disrupting or even flinging planets out of orbit. The odds of this happening are extremely low, but not impossible. If a rogue planet were on a collision course with us, there might be nothing we could do. Our place in the universe. These extraordinary worlds aren't fiction. They're real places that exist somewhere out there. Some may host life, some may be deadly, and some may simply drift alone, unnoticed in the void. We humans are just intelligent primates on a small blue planet floating through a vast, mysterious universe. For as long as we've looked up at the night sky, we've wondered what's out there. Personally, I believe there's life somewhere beyond Earth. But until we find it, maybe it's enough to just know we're not alone in dreaming. Like and subscribe to get more information like this.